Hello everyone. So, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, under our pre-medical lecture series, we are going to continue that and add a new video on that. And this video will be about joints. So, we'll talk about everything about joints regarding their definition, their types, their function, and their classification. And at the end, we will also add some clinical correlates that will suffice you in your basic science lecture. So we want you to give us feedback. What kind of videos are you interested to listen so that we keep on making that? What kind of videos are you interested in to watch? How can we help you? Do you need some motivation type of videos or something like that? We are primarily focusing on the studious type of videos, so which will be mostly educational, not the spiritual.